What's going on, family? Welcome to Market Sundays, powered by Dreamers to Profit, featuring Gold3nFX Academy. And as y'all know, at Gold3nFX Academy, we're focusing on mastering price action. I'm trying to make it as simple as possible without indicators, just straight support, resistance, trend lines, things of that nature. So, today we're going to be breaking down last week's gold price action, what all took place. And really, we really didn't have too much motion last week. It was really just, it was right here. We was just right here stuck in this zone. We were making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and it got stuck up here. It made a high, and then we didn't break this previous high right here, so it made a double top, and then it broke my trend line. Now, for me, that's an indication that we're about to reverse. A double top is a bearish reversal. So once it broke my trend line, it came down, and it came back down to this zone right here. And we came up, we broke back through that support, and now we're back into this zone right here. So we just up and down, up and down, up and down. And this is where I've been taking my plays. Now, if we go drop down to a lower time frame, y'all, I'm a swing trader, intraday trader, so I use the higher time frames. But I also, scale down to get a better picture of what the market is doing. So in this zone, that was just simple support and resistance. It come down to my support, I get in for a buy. I get out when it hits the resistance. Same thing when it gets to the resistance, to the ceiling. I get in for a sell. Boom, it drops down, hit my take profit. I get out. And you're just doing that. It's just like just a ping pong, back and forth, until eventually it is going to break out. But right now we're just stuck in this zone. So it's just easy buys, easy sales. Now you have to be careful because it is a risk. Because when it breaks out, it's going to break out and it's going to do a bearish move or a bullish move. So it could break out to the top right there and keep going up, going up for that buy, or we could break down below and we can continue selling off. Or you just got to be patient, stay disciplined, don't rush it, because gold can trap you. Any pair can trap you, but gold is a killer now. Don't play with it. So yeah, that's what we're looking for this week coming up. Right now, we're just going to continue buying at the support and selling at the resistance until it finally breaks out. Now, more than likely, I believe it probably will break out this week, but we just have to wait and see. We have to be patient and see. Don't rush it. Stay disciplined. Now, if you look, go up to the daily time frame, you can see. You see where it was, the support came back down to that support, and then from there, since December of 2024, it's just been in a straight uptrend. And you see where I got my trend line, that yellow trend line. It's just been in the uptrend, just been buys. We have some small pullbacks and buys, and that's why I'm a swing trader. I'm in my trade for at least a day or a couple days. But yeah, so you look at this. It's simple, y'all. I try to make it as simple as possible. Straight support, resistance. It break out. We retest and we, keep going up, or we're going to stay in that zone. You just got to be patient. Don't pull the trigger too fast, because the market will take your money. It will take your money. But like I said, right now we're in this zone. and we're waiting to break out. Because it could come back down to this support right here. And then go back up to the upside. You never know. That's why you just have to be patient. You gotta have that discipline. Don't jump the gun. Seriously, don't jump the gun. So y'all stay tuned for I'm a try to do this every week. Every Sunday we're gonna have Market Sunday update on the market of what I think is gonna do for the upcoming week. So y'all stay tuned. You know, like I said, just if you're a beginner, make sure you're studying. Make sure you're studying. Make sure you're psychology and mindset. Make sure you're on that, because that's very important. That's about 90% of your 90% of the skill. And then I'm just showing y'all right here some of the plays that you could have took that I was taking last week. There's a buy. And if you see where I put my take profit, it went straight to it. Right there at my ceiling, at my resistance. All right. Same thing with this play. I'm trying to show y'all a few of the plays that I was getting them both, sells and buys. I was eating them up. So let me see. It's another one right here. Let me see. Move this down. That TP right there. Move that over a little bit. And then my stop loss. You don't want to put your stop loss too close, because you see how it wicked out, those wicks at the top that went above my resistance. You put your stop loss too close, this is going to take you out. And then it's going to go in a direction that you predicted that it would go in. And that's how a lot of traders mess up. And that's how I used to do. I used to jump the gun, put my stop loss too close. It go up, take me out. And I lost that trade. But then after that, it goes in the direction that I said it was going to go in. I used to be so mad. Oh, my goodness. Man, 7 years. 7 years. But, y'all, that's it, man. Y'all stay at it. Don't give up. It's not as bad as you think. Be blessed, y'all.